Metrobank Money Transfer to BDO. How to send money from Metrobank to BDO via mobile app online. And if you're new to this channel and you want more helpful videos like this, please click the subscribe button. So, gamit ko ngayon yung cellphone ko and nakapag-install na rin ako ng Metrobank app. Kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-install nito, pwede ka mag-download from Play Store or App Store. So, I'll go ahead and open this Metrobank app. So, I'll click got it. And I'll go ahead and log in with my username and password. By the way, kung wala ka pang online account with Metrobank, meron kaming ginawang video about it. You may click this I button to check that video. And there's a notification again about OTP generator. Itong OTP generator, it says here na hindi mo na kailangan maghintay ng OTP via SMS. Possible pwede na through app. Sa mga next video, i-explore natin. I think mas applicable to or mas magagamit ng mga kababayan natin na wala dito sa Pilipinas wherein wala sa kanila yung local SIM nila or yung number nila dito sa Philippines na niregister dito sa Metrobank. So, I'll tap maybe later. And ito na yung account ko. So, basically, nasa loob na ako ng online account ko with Metrobank. Ito yung balance ko and ito rin yung account number ko. So, since magka-transfer tayo to other bank, dito sa bandang taas sa kaliwa, may 3 lines. So, I'll tap this and transfer to other bank. And you have 2 options to transfer, either via InstaPay or PesoNet. Sa akin, pipiliin ko yung InstaPay kasi gusto ko real-time yung pag-transfer. And also, hindi naman ako aabot ng more than 50,000, so okay lang sa akin yung InstaPay. While for PesoNet, hindi siya real-time. Pwedeng umabot ng few hours to 1 day or so bago mag-reflect yung pera dun sa pinagpasahan. Although hindi siya real-time, mas mataas naman yung pwede mong i-transfer. That's up to 200,000 pesos. So if you're planning to transfer maybe 60,000 or basta more than 50,000, mas applicable sa yung PesoNet. Pero sa akin, mas okay na yung InstaPay. And for both this, again, wala siyang fee or free yung pag-transfer from Metrobank to other bank. Ngayon lang yan. Sa normal cases, may bayad talaga siya. So I'll tap this InstaPay. And under one-time transfer, tap ko tong transfer. And for bank, I'll choose here BDO. So ito na agad siya. And for account number, enter ko dito yung BDO account number na papapasahan ko ng pera. And then for beneficiary, I'll have it individual. And then meron ditong first name, last name, address, and purpose. Kukumpletiin ko na rin tong details na to. Itong details na to is about the owner ng bank account na pagpapasahan niya ng pera. And for the purpose, I'll have it funding na lang. Pwede namang ibang cases like family support. For email address, pwede ko itong palitan. Papalitan ko na lang to ng use mobile instead. And lagay ko yung mobile number ng owner ng bank account. And I have an option to save this beneficiary. Let's say I want to transfer money to this account again. Pwede ko siyang gawin and pipiliin ko na lang siya dun sa list ng nakasave na beneficiaries ko. So I'll tap next and choose my current account. So ito lang naman yung account ko with Metrobank. So I'll tap this. And for the amount, I'll transfer 500 pesos. Again, real-time yung pag-transfer and 0 fee yung transaction. And I'll click next. And please ensure all information are correct. Before I proceed with this one, i-open ko muna yung BDO Online account ko. Let's see kung pwede yun. And mag-login lang ako. Ino-open ko to kasi gusto ko makita kung real-time talaga yung pag-transfer from Metrobank to BDO. So, it's currently 37,070 pesos. So, dapat madagdagan to ng 500 later. So, balik tayo sa Metrobank account ko. And for remarks, optional lang naman, pero lagyan ko na rin ng note MB to BDO. And click submit. And a one-time password has been sent to my SMS, to my phone. And enter ko lang dito yung code na na-receive ko sa phone. And click submit. And transaction in progress. Ito yung reference number ko. Always make sure na i-save niya yung reference number just in case magkaroon ng issue like hindi nag-reflect yung pera sa kabilang account. Pwede mong i-report and may proof ka na ito yung reference number ng transaction mo. So, balik ako sa BDO Online account ko. And refresh ko na by clicking this My Accounts. And nadagdagan na siya ng 500. So, naging 37,570 na siya. So, real-time nga yung pag-transfer and hindi naman ako nagkaroon ng any issue when it comes to transferring money from Metrobank to BDO. And that's it. Kung may naisip kayong ibang videos na pwede namin ituro online, just let us know. You may provide a comment below. And also, please like this video if you think nakatulong tong video na to. May iba pa kaming videos about online money transfer. You can check this. And also, in case you're interested, may mga videos din kami about money investment. Pwede kang mag-start mag-invest sa maliit na halaga. And this is Lou from Invest Library. Until next time, bye-bye!